Hello, everyone! Where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. Hi, Sophia. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. And you, Jake?
I'm good, thanks. But I'm a little hungry right now.
Me too. Perfect timing to talk about food, something everyone loves. Today, we'll share our favorite foods and learn how to order food in English, whether you're out at a restaurant or staying home.
Yes! Food is an important topic, especially for anyone learning English. Whether traveling or chatting with friends, talking about food comes up a lot.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends. Your support helps us make more fun lessons for you.
Thanks. We really appreciate it. Now, let's begin with the first meal of the day, breakfast. Sophia, what do you like for breakfast?
Breakfast is important for a good start. I usually eat fruit, like bananas or strawberries. They're fresh and sweet. Sometimes I add yogurt, which tastes great. What about you, Jake?
That sounds tasty. I don't eat cereal often, but I always drink a big cup of black coffee. It wakes me up.
Coffee is essential for me, too. But I like 2 slices of bread with butter and cheese. I like to toast the bread to make it crunchy. I sometimes drink milk with my coffee, too.
Toasted bread is delicious. Milk sounds like a good energy boost. Sometimes I have milk with cereal, but mostly just coffee and fruit.
Your breakfast sounds warm and comforting. I can almost smell the toasted bread.
Do you think breakfast is important?
Definitely. Breakfast gives you energy and helps you focus during the day. It's often called the most important meal.
I agree. Skipping breakfast can make you tired later. Also, a balanced breakfast helps your brain work better at school or work.
Starting with healthy foods like fruit and protein is a smart choice.
Speaking of protein, do you eat eggs for breakfast?
Yes, I like scrambled or boiled eggs. What about you?
Me too. Eggs are easy to cook and keep you full longer.
Some people prefer sweet breakfasts, like pancakes or cereal with honey.
Others like savory food, bacon, sausages, cheese. It depends on what you like and your culture.
Food is part of culture and tradition. It's interesting to learn about breakfasts around the world.
Now, let's practice some breakfast words. Ready?
Yes! Words like toast, cereal, fruit, yogurt, coffee, milk, egg, butter, and cheese are common breakfast words.
Toast is bread browned by heat. Cereal means grains, like cornflakes, eaten with milk.
Yogurt is creamy and made from fermented milk, often with fruit.
Coffee is a hot drink from roasted beans, and milk is a white liquid from cows.
Eggs can be cooked many ways: boiled, scrambled, fried, or in omelets.
Great! Now you know some useful breakfast words.
That's it for breakfast. Next time, we'll talk about lunch and dinner, 2 important meals.
Welcome back, everyone. We just talked about breakfast. Now let's move on to 2 more big meals, lunch and dinner.
Yes, these meals are often larger and more filling than breakfast. So, Jake, what do you usually eat for lunch?
At home, I like something simple. Maybe a chicken sandwich with lettuce and tomato. Or sometimes I eat rice with vegetables and a little meat.
That sounds nice. I often make a salad for lunch with cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and some grilled chicken or tuna. It's light but healthy.
A salad is a good idea, especially when it's hot outside. Something fresh is better than heavy food.
Totally agree. But sometimes I just grab something quick, like a slice of pizza or a sandwich when I'm really busy.
Yes, fast food is popular for lunch because it's quick and easy. Burgers, fries, sandwiches, not always healthy, but sometimes we need it.
True. It's okay sometimes, just not every day. What about dinner? Do you usually cook?
If I have time, yes. I like cooking pasta for dinner, like spaghetti with tomato sauce or sometimes creamy Alfredo.
Yum! I also enjoy pasta. Or sometimes rice with curry or stew. It depends on my mood.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
I usually eat around 7 or 8 p.m. That's normal in many countries. What about you?
Same here. In some places, people eat earlier, around 5 or 6 p.m., in others, much later, like 9 or 10 p.m.
It's interesting how meal times change from country to country. In some cultures, lunch is the biggest meal, and in others, dinner is.
Yes, and even what people eat is different. For example, in some countries, rice is common every day. In others, bread or pasta is more popular.
That's what makes food such a fun topic. Now, let's go over some useful words for lunch and dinner.
Great! Here's a list of useful words. Salad, sandwich, soup, rice, pasta, chicken, beef, fish, vegetables, and sauce.
Salad is usually made with raw vegetables like lettuce, cucumber, or tomato. Sometimes people add cheese, meat, or dressing.
A sandwich has 2 slices of bread with meat, cheese, or veggies inside. Easy to make and take with you.
Soup is a warm dish made from water or broth with vegetables, meat, or noodles. Good for cold days.
Rice is a common grain food, often eaten with sauce, meat, or vegetables.
Pasta includes spaghetti, macaroni, and noodles, usually cooked and mixed with sauce.
Chicken, beef, and fish are common types of meat. You can grill, fry, or bake them.
Vegetables are healthy. Carrots, broccoli, spinach, and so many more.
And don't forget about sauce. It adds flavor. Tomato sauce, cheese sauce, or spicy sauce.
All great words. Now, imagine you're at a restaurant. What could you say?
You might say, "Can I see the menu?" Or, "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please."
Or, what comes with that? Or, can I have it without onions? Very useful.
You can also say, "I'm allergic to nuts." Or, "Is this dish spicy?"
Perfect. These phrases help you order food confidently and clearly.
So whether you're eating at home or out with friends, now you have the English to talk about lunch and dinner.
That wraps up part 2. In the next part, we'll talk about snacks and drinks and how to say when you're full or hungry. Welcome back. So far, we've talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now let's chat about snacks and drinks, everyone's little favorites between meals.
Yes, snacks are the small things we eat when we feel hungry during the day. Sophia, do you snack often?
I do, especially when I'm working or watching a movie. I like fruit, nuts, or yogurt as healthy snacks, but sometimes I eat chips or cookies too.
Same here. I love a good mix. Healthy snacks are great, but once in a while I enjoy chocolate or a piece of cake. It's all about balance.
What are some common snack words our listeners should know?
Good idea. Let's go through a few. Fruit, nuts, chips, cookies, crackers, candy, popcorn, and chocolate.
Fruit like apples, grapes, and bananas are great for quick energy. Nuts include almonds, peanuts, and walnuts, full of protein.
Chips are thin slices of potato, usually salty and crunchy. Cookies are sweet baked treats, like chocolate chip or sugar cookies.
Crackers are dry, crispy snacks, sometimes plain, sometimes cheesy.
Candy means sweet snacks, hard or chewy, like gummy bears or lollipops.
And popcorn is a fun snack, especially for movie nights. Chocolate is, well, a favorite everywhere.
What about drinks? Jake, what do you usually drink during the day?
I drink a lot of water. It's the best. But I also enjoy juice, tea, or sometimes a soft drink like soda.
Same. I drink coffee in the morning, water all day, and maybe green tea in the evening. If it's hot, I like cold juice.
Some popular drink words include water, tea, coffee, juice, milk, soda, lemonade, and smoothie.
Tea can be hot or cold. You can add honey, lemon, or milk.
Juice comes from fruits, like orange juice, apple juice, or grape juice.
Soda is fizzy and sweet, like cola or lemon-lime drinks.
Smoothies are thick drinks made by blending fruit, milk, or yogurt.
Great vocabulary. Now let's practice a few useful sentences with snacks and drinks.
You can say, I'm a little hungry. I'll grab a snack.
Or, do you want something to drink?
How about, I'll have an apple and some water, please? Very natural.
Or, can I get a cold soda? Or, would you like tea or coffee?
These are great for when you're at a cafe or visiting a friend.
Let's also teach a few common phrases related to hunger and thirst.
Good idea. You can say, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. This means you're really hungry.
And for drinks, I'm thirsty. Can I have something to drink? I need a glass of water.
You can also say, I'm full after eating. It means you've had enough.
Or, that was delicious. Always a nice thing to say after a good meal or snack.
Don't forget polite phrases. Would you like something? Or, no thanks, I'm good.
Very helpful. These are great for everyday conversations, at home, with friends, or while traveling.
That's it for snacks and drinks. Next up, how to order at a restaurant with full dialogues and key phrases.
And if you're enjoying this episode, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us keep going.
Welcome to the final part of today's episode. Now that we've talked about food, drinks, and snacks, let's practice how to order at a restaurant in English.
Yes, this is so useful. Whether you're traveling or just practicing for fun, these expressions will help you sound confident.
Let's imagine we're at a restaurant. First, the host or waiter greets you.
They might say, "Hi, welcome. How many people?" You can reply, "2, please," or "Just me."
Then they say, "Follow me. Here's your table," or "Please have a seat."
Once you sit, they'll hand you the menu and say, "Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?"
You can say, "Yes, I'll have a glass of water." Or, "Can I get a lemonade, please?"
If you need more time, say, "Can we have a few more minutes?" Or, "I'm not ready yet."
When you're ready to order, you can say, "I'd like the grilled chicken with rice." Or, "Can I have the veggie burger and fries, please?"
Very natural. And if you want to ask for something specific, try, can I get it without onions? Or, can I have the sauce on the side?
Don't forget to ask about things. What's in the pasta? Is it spicy? Is it vegetarian?
When the food comes, say, "Thank you," or "This looks delicious."
If you need something like salt or ketchup, just ask, "Can I have some ketchup, please? Excuse me, could I get a fork?"
After the meal, the waiter may ask, "How was everything?" You can say, "It was great, thank you," or "Very tasty."
Then they ask, "Would you like dessert?" Or, "Can I get you anything else?"
If yes, you can say, "Yes, can I see the dessert menu?" Or, "I'll have a slice of chocolate cake."
If not, just say, "No thanks, just the check, please," or "We're all done, thank you."
And the classic line, "Can we get the bill?" Or, "Check, please."
That's it. You've just had a full restaurant experience in English.
Let's quickly review key phrases. I'd like, or can I have, without, or on the side. What's in? Is it spicy? Just the check, please.
And some polite words. Please, thank you, excuse me, no thank you, yes please.
Remember, being polite and speaking clearly is just as important as the words you use.
Absolutely. And don't worry if you make small mistakes. Just smile and try. People appreciate the effort.
We hope today's episode helped you feel more confident talking about food in English.
And if you liked this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also share this podcast with friends who are learning English too.
Keep practicing and keep it chill. See you in the next episode, and bon appetit.